How to check and increase Tamara limit. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can check and increase your Tamara limit or your Tamara credit score. Now first is I won't be able to show you directly from the application because it will be um, on a specific screen that you won't be able to see due to privacy purposes. So first, all I have to do to check your credit score is just open up the application and you should be able to see credit score the lower right on the application. Now, increasing your limit can be tricky. So your limit is actually your credit score. It actually helps share an understanding of how your credit won't or are likely you're to pay when your loans on time. Now, the main factor of not having an increase on tomorrow limit is your frequent late payments. So this is your key to remember. Your main goal is to pay on time for any existing loans that you made from the Tamara application so that you will and you can increase your credit score. And that's how you check and increase Tamara limit.